Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video. Today's video, talking about another big giveaway that I'm doing, so stay tuned. So the prize for the giveaway is a sweatshirt of your choice. We have regular sweatshirts, hoodie sweatshirts, and zip-up sweatshirts. The way to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is just purchase a shirt of your choice or a hat of your choice. Each item that you purchase, you will get one entry ticket. The drawing ends on September 30th, and the winner will be announced in a separate video on October 1st. All you have to do is just go down in the comments section below, click the link to templargear.shop, and pick your shirt. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.